I'm going to go ahead and install and set up this SSD on my PS5 Pro. I'm going to show you how to install this step by step, and then after that I'll show you how to format it, how to move games from your console to the SSD, as well as how to make the default location your SSD, so every time you download new games it'll go directly to your SSD. So first thing is go ahead and disconnect all the cables from your PS5 Pro. Next is you have the PS5 logo right there. Just go ahead and lay that like down. Okay, and this is the top side here. So I'm going to lay that down. So this is the top side right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is going to go ahead and grab the back, the front area right here. I'm going to grab this like this, and I'm just going to kind of pry it back. Okay, kind of just like that. Now this is where the SSD is going to go inside here. Okay, also this SSD came with a little Phillips head screwdriver. So there's a screw right here. Let me go ahead and unscrew this screw so we can take off this metal plate. So there you go, move that plate, remove the screw, and now, so now when we get the SSD, you can kind of look over here on the port there, and you can see that little cutoff right there. What you want to do is put it in this way. Okay, now the thing is you should have a little screw here with a little washer. We need to take that off and put it over here so we can stabilize this when we put the SSD in there. So that little screw, and there's a washer there. So go ahead and unscrew that out. Just go ahead and take that out. And now, so you have the screw and that little washer here. Okay, so with the washer, what we're going to do is we're going to put it, you gotta, let's see, so it looks like it's going to go here. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay this little washer, just put it in that little hole, just like that. Now I'm going to grab this, I'm going to put it in kind of diagonal, and then I can kind of like see, just put it right on top, kind of, just like that. And then make sure you should be able to feel it push in. Okay, so it's in, and it's going to match that right there where that little washer is. So let me get that little screw. I'm going to screw that back in now so it can be nice and stable in there. Okay, nice and stable. Now we just go ahead and put you can go ahead and put this plate back on now. Put the screw in. Okay, now let's go ahead and put this back plate on. So let's see here. So first thing you want to do is, you can see these like bottom three things here. Just connect the bottom part here first, okay? So we're just going to go ahead and line all those up like right there, and just going to go ahead and turn it over. Just lay it flat, and then you just want to go ahead and kind of top it up here. Just like that. There you go. And now let's go ahead and plug in everything now, and then turn the TV on. Everything's plugged back into PS5. Now go ahead and turn it on. Now you should be on the screen here. You can go read through this, but we're going to go ahead and format it now. Okay, so we're going to move over to format. We're going to go ahead and select that, and we're going to read that, and then we're going to OK it. Format has been completed. Now we're going to go ahead and OK it. Now let's check the setting. Go ahead and log in, and then from here you want to go to settings, the gear icon top right hand side, so move all the way over right there. Let's select that. From here we're going to go down to storage right there, and then from here you can see your console storage, and then you also have your SSD on here as well. Okay, you can see the SSD I have is 1 TB, 1 terabyte. So let's say you want to move games from your console storage to your SSD. Just go up to console storage, and then whatever you want to move, let's say some games and apps, we'll just select that. And then from here, go ahead and select some games you want to move. So I'll just click on that one there. And then from here, you can, the middle one is to select items to move. Okay, so if we select that, and then we can choose some other games that we have on here as well. And then we can go ahead and move it from the console to the SSD, but we're not going to do that, so let me go back. Now if you want to make the default installation location your SSD, what you want to do is you want to go down to installation location right there, and then for all PS5 games, now that's weird, So you can change it to console or SSD. Same with all your PS4 games as well. Okay, I'm not sure why it left one at SSD and this one was console and like vice versa. Anyway, there you go. Pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below.